Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Warren County, Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, South Central Clark County, Southeastern Greene County, Northwestern Highland County in South Central Ohio, Southwestern Madison County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:38
Now I don't know if I listed Franklin. Great. No, I didn't.
Include Lebanon, Washington Courthouse, Wilmington, Hillsborough, Lancaster, Sabina, Jamestown, Mount Sterling, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Jeffersonville, Morrow, Bloomingburg, Russell, New Jasper, Staunton, Good Hope, Clarksville, and Harveysburg. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 30 and 82.